I'm looking at the articulation chart on pages 42 and 43. You should have read this already. Now, let's make the sounds. We'll start with I. When you go to the doctor says, open your mouth and say, ah. Ah is the first part of I. So everyone, ah, ah. Now sometimes when people get scared, they say, ee. You don't have to say it that high. You can say it in your normal voice. E. Everybody. E. E. Now let's make both sounds. I. 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 The problem many students have is that they don't say I, they say ah. And as I indicated in my notes in the lesson, if you do that, it's not just a foreign accent, it's also an American accent from the South. Ah instead of I. Pa instead of pie. In the South as well, sometimes they take a word that has only one syllable and they turn that one syllable, that vowel sound, into a diphthong. So the example I gave was pin. In the American South, pian. Okay, you see how that works. So if you say ah, that's not the word I want to hear. Pa, as, ska, lak. That's an American Southern accent, and it's also a foreign accent for some of you. What I want to hear is pie, ice, sky, like. Let's look at the next diphthong. This is the ow sound. Once again, we're going to start with open your mouth and say ah, ah. Now, when people are very, very happily surprised, they sometimes say, ooh. So everyone, ooh, ooh. Now let's run them together. Ah, ooh. Ah, ooh. Ow. 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 That's the sound we want. The final diphthong is oi. Sometimes when people are disappointed, especially American children, they say, aww. Or if a parent thinks something is cute, the parent might say, aww. Whichever one you want to say. Aww. Aww. And then after that, E. E. Bring them together. Oi. 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 That is our third sound. Now let's work on the exercises. Page 44, exercise 2. Repeat after me. These are the I sounds. I, knife, typewriter, quiet, wire, pie, like, bright, diet, climb, rise, height. Now exercise 3, the ow sounds. Pound, loud, flower, allow, south, now, crowd, amount, thousand, doubt, flower, proud. Notice that word number 3 and word number 11 are pronounced the same way, flower. But 3 is a beautiful flower that you see in your garden. And number 11, flour, is an ingredient you put in a cake. Exercise 4. the oi sound. Choice, point, oil, noise, coin, enjoy, voice, annoyance, avoid, poison, boys, unemployment. Now, exercise 5. I want you to repeat the sentences after me. I will say each one twice. You will say each one twice. The first time I will say it slowly, so will you. And the second time I will say it very fast, and so will you. Number 1. I'm annoyed by the noise. I'm annoyed by the noise. 2. The crowd became quiet. The crowd became quiet. 3. The price of oil is climbing. The price of oil is climbing. 4. How will they avoid unemployment? How will they avoid unemployment? 5. The noise is too loud. I can't hear your voice. The noise is too loud. I can't hear your voice. 6. No doubt it's another high-rise. No doubt it's another high-rise.